Welcome back. As a part of this video, we'll understand a requirement analysis in big data testing lifecycle. So when we talk about any software development, we do have a requirement analysis as a part of that. The requirements are defined by business analysts or the owners of the application. Requirements can be defined as SRS, that is Software Requirement Specification, PRD, that is Product Requirement Documents. These days, because of the agile methodologies, we also call requirements as a user stories. While the requirement document should be similar in most of the different software projects, there is a subtle variation in case of big data projects. When we talk about the requirements in big data projects, our focus is more or less around the data. Where is the data being sent to? So we got to study the source and targets. Like, what are our source systems? Is it coming from RDBMS? Is it coming from applications? Is it coming from files? And what are our target systems? Where are we sending this data to? Are we sending this data to data warehouse? Are we funneling this data to the machine learning algorithms like that? And data production processes. So we also need to understand what is the mapping between the source and target, including various data formats. Is it a CSV? Is it a JSON? Or what kind of a data format? What is the volume of the data we are speaking about? What is the frequency at which the data is being sent from source to target after the transformation is done? Right? All these come under the requirements of big data project or any data engineering project. So once we understand the source and target, we also understand how is the data integration being done from source to target. Like, examine how different sources will be integrated, including extraction, transformation, loading processes. What are the different transformation rules? Is it a basic conversion? Is it an aggregation? And how are they cleaning the data? Those aspects also need to be understood. So as a part of the ETL, first and foremost thing is we are extracting the data. What are the different extraction techniques are involved in this whole project? Like, what are the processing frameworks? Are we using Spark? Are we using Hive? Are we using Snowflake? Which kind of a framework is being used? What is the transformation rules or a transformation logic? So all these are defined in the requirements of a big data project. We need to analyze them as a tester. Then we also need to know technology components. Like I already indicated, do we working in a Hadoop environment? Do we have a Spark or a Flink or a Kafka? Where do we have a storage? Because we also need to analyze where the data is stored. Is the data stored in HDFS or NoSQL systems like MongoDB, HBase, right? Once we understand source and target, once we understand the integration of source and target and different aspects of the technology components and storage requirements, by analyzing all these things, we got to define the use cases in scope. See, use case is different from test case. We got to define the use cases in scope. So these use cases would focus on data processing workflows, analytics, and reporting requirements for a project. Wonderful then. This is how we do the requirement analysis in a big data testing project. Thank you.